Welcome to my channel. I am Maricita Colors in English.
Hello my dear friends, today I have a new crochet pattern. Is this nice? 4-leaf clover for the luck. It's a nice applique that you can decorate headbands, bunny hats, blankets, cardigans and so on. It's very easy and you will learn now with me. I will use this teeny yarn of acrylic and the hook number 3 millimeters for that my thread is tight. I will use two scissors. I will begin with 4 chains. 4 cadenetas en español. This is the technique that I use for make my chains. This is the first, second, third and 4 chains. Now I will join into the first chain with 1 slip stitch. And now I will make 1 circle with these chains. For begin, I will make 3 chains. This is the first petal. And I will make 1 treble crochet 2 times the yarn over the hook and into the circle. I must insert the hook and I bring 1 yarn or 1 loop, we pass for 2, yarn over, we pass for 2, yarn over, and we pass for the last 2 loops. This is the treble crochet. Now I will make 1 double crochet into the same circle. 1 double crochet. Now I will make again 1 treble crochet, so 2 times the yarn over the hook. We insert into the ring and we pass from 2 in 2. This is the treble crochet. And now for finish this petal, I will make again 3 chains. 1, 2 and 3 chains. And I will join these 3 chains into the same circle with 1 single crochet. Punto medio or punto bajo en español. So we finish the first petal. Now for begin, again 3 chains for make the second petal. 2 times the yarn over the hook for make the treble crochet. We insert into the same ring and we pass from 2 in 2 loops. Again 1 double crochet into the same ring, into the same circle. And again 1 treble crochet. And for finish the second petal, we will make again 3 chains. We join into the same circle with 1 single crochet. So now we have all the stitches and only we must repeat until that we have the 4 petals. Almost I finished the 4 petal. I will make the 3 chains and I will insert into the first chain that we make in the beginning of this round, and I will join with 1 slip stitch. Now we have ready our 4 petals, and I will make the stem. For this I will make 12 chains. 1, 2, 3, 11 and 12 chains. You can make longer if you prefer. Into the third chain from this loop, from the first loop, I will make 1 single crochet. And in every chain, I will make 1 single crochet. Almost I finish to make the single crochet in every chain, and into the flower I will join with 1 slip stitch. Now I will cut the yarn and I will close. So first I pass the yarn into the last stitch, cut the yarn, and I finish to pass the yarn into this stitch, and we push for that our work is uniform. Only you must sew the rest of the yarns. And we have ready our nice 4-leaf clover. It's for the good luck, and you can use for decorate all that you prefer. I want to invite you to subscribe here in my channel, Maricita Colors in English. It's total free. Remember, activate the bell for that you can receive the post when I have a new video in my channel. You can find me too in Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest. And if you like this video, you can give 1 like and share it with your family and friends. Thank you very much to all the persons that watch my videos and write me. We see us in my next crochet or knitting pattern. Ciao, ciao!